Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the graduated crochet. It ends up being a combination of a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a treble crochet. It's a really great crochet design. So to start off, you can start out with any foundation chain that you want. For this tutorial, I am just going to do a quick 20 chains. Alright, once you have your 20, you want to go ahead and chain one extra, and in the second chain from the hook, you want to single crochet all the way across. So it's an insert your hook, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull through 2. And if you need help with any of the stitches in this video, you can check down in the description below on how to do these stitches. So here we are, last single crochet, and we want to chain 2 and turn our work so we can do a row of half double crochets. So you insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 3 stitches, and you notice I'm kind of tucking in the tail of my work as I go. It's just an easier method for me instead of having to come in with a tapestry needle later and sew in my work. This way it's already hidden, so that's one extra step I don't have to take. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 3, and we'll do all these half double crochets to the end of the row. All right. We have our first 2 rows down, 2 more to go. So we turn our work, chain 3, and we will be doing our double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. It's a really easy crochet design, and they call it a graduated crochet design because you end up doing a step up in stitches each row, sorry. All right, so here we are on our last row, which will be a treble crochet. So it's yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And sometimes the treble crochet can be difficult to do, but just take your time. There's no rush. And we'll do a treble crochet all the way across to the end of the row. All right, last one. So you can kind of see what type of texture this gives your work, but it's kind of a little hard to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another 4 rows. So once you finish your last row of treble crochet, you just start from the beginning again. So it'll be row of single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and a treble crochet. And we're going to crochet at supersonic speed. It would be very interesting if you could crochet like this in real life. I don't even know what I'm looking at. But also fast speed also hides the mistakes that I made when I was messing up on the treble crochet. So there's that. Just enjoy your work and make sure to laugh. All right, here we are at the end. And now you can really get an idea of the texture of the graduated crochet design. It's super easy, super fun. And if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.